on your computer easily. We have got the steps you need to now to get Windows 7, Windows 10 installed on your computer. Whether you are putting it on a computer for the first time, upgrading on earlier version of Windows, or just want to perform a clean installation on a computer that already has Windows 10 on it, we have answers. 1. Make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements. For the latest version of Windows 10, you will need to have the following: CPU, 1 GHz or faster supported processor. Here is a list of supported CPUs. RAM 1 GB for Windows 10, 32-bit or 2 GB for Windows 10, 64-bit. Storage 32 GB of space or more. GPU DirectX 9 compatible or later with WDDM 1.0 driver. Display 800 multiply 600 resolution or greater. Internet connection. Some versions of Windows 10 require an internet connection during setup. Create installation media. Microsoft has a tool specifically for creating installation media. You can download that tool using this link or by going to this page and select it. Download tool now. Under the section titled Create Windows 10 Installation Media, you will need a blank USB drive with at least 8 GB of space or a bank DVD to put the Windows 10 installation files on. You will need to run the tool, accept Microsoft terms, and then select Create Installation Media for another PC. When you get to the What do you want to do page, you will select the language and edition of window you want, as well as whether it will be 32-bit or 62-bit, and then select the type of media you want to use. Installing from a USB drive is easiest, but you can find details on using a DVD and ISO file here. You will then choose your USB drive from a list of drives, and the tool will download the necessary files and put them on the USB drive. Note: if you are upgrading a Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 PC, you can actually use this tool to simply download and install Windows 10 directly to your computer. Just run the program as an administrator, and when you reach the What do you want to do section, select Upgrade this PC now and follow the remaining steps in the tool. This will also give you the option of keeping your files and apps during the installation process. You can find more detailed instructions on this process here. Use the installation media. Insert your installation media into the computer you plan to install Windows 10 on. Then access your computer's BIOS or UEFI. This is the system that allows you to control some aspects of your computer's hardware, and it's built into your motherboard. This step is unique to your specific hardware, so we can't walk you through exactly what to do. But you should be able to figure out the process for accessing this by checking on your computer or motherboard manufacturer's website. Generally, accessing a computer by There are several ways to install Windows 10 on your PC. Whether you are upgrading from 7 or 8, installing a new operating system from scratch, or reinstalling a fresh version of Windows 10, there are still ways to get a free Windows 10 upgrade license too. How to get a Windows 10 licenses? Related. All the ways you can still upgrade to Windows 10 for free. There are a variety of ways you can get a Windows 10 licenses for your PC, and many of them are still free. Upgrade from 7 or 8. Buy a new PC with Windows 10. If your computer come with Windows 7 installed, it likely has a license they embedded into its UEFI firmware. The manufacturer paid for a licenses, and you can reinstall Windows 10 on the PC without entering the key. Windows 10's installer will put the key for a chip on the motherboard. Purchase a Windows 10 licenses if you are building your own PC and don't yet have an operating system. You can purchase a Windows 10 license from Microsoft, just as you could with previous versions of 10. Don't get a license. You can also install Windows 10 without entering a product key. You will see messages telling on your Windows 10 system is not licensed and needs to be activated, but it will be completely usable. You can even purchase a Windows 10 license from the store within Windows 10 to turn it on into a properly licensed Windows 10. This is a convenient solution for testing Windows 10 on a PC without purchasing it first. Once you know which method is going to work for you, proceed to one of the sections below to install Windows 10. Upgrade to Windows 10.